MeekFro channel. You are watching youtube.com/MeekFro. And today, y'all, I'm just gonna keep this video short and sweet, short as possible. A company called Trendy Tresses reached out to me concerning some gorgeous faux afro ombre hair, some crochet hair basically. Rarely do I get crochet braids installed. I just kind of find a way to make a wig out of it. You know, wigs are my thing. That's kind of like the majority of what's on my page, mainly wigs. So we are going to make a wig out of the hair that Trendy Tresses sent me. So I'm just going to show you the hair first and foremost. This is the hair that Trendy Tresses sent me. It is 4 bundles of crochet faux afro ombre hair. I hope I'm saying the title correctly. Yeah, the link will be in the description box if you're interested in purchasing this right off top. So I will be making a wig out of this hair here. So let's get a close-up of what this hair is actually looking like. So this is the hair. It comes just like this, very frizzy, but that's what we're aiming for. That's what they're aiming for, a natural type of crochet hair. It's not pre-looped or anything. I think you could do a lot of things with this hair, like Havana twist or, you know, anything like that. But depending on the type of style you're going to choose, that's going to depict how many packs or how many bundles of these you will need. Quick close-up of how it's looking. Okay, in each bundle you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 10 strands in each bundle.
Shot, shoot, baby, bang, bang, shoot, baby, Rambo, take your shot, shoot, baby, real try soul shit, this ain't Bryce and Tiller, cookies out the bowl, AR with me in the villa, extend it in the sprinter, chopsticks ain't no dinner, I can shoot for day, baby, you ready to pull the trigger, yeah, bad and bougie, and banging like my ratchet, I'm a bang, smack gang, that's automatic, never met her mom, but she call me daddy, never met her daddy, feel bastard. Show no new love. I'm too soft stuff, sauce hallelujah. Been on the move so much I had to move up. I'm too sliced and my pockets juiced up. Looking for some drugs and ran into a new plug. I love crazy thing who introduced us. They say nobody love you till they shoot you. I'm too wavy, you crazy. Know you let me take your shot, shoot baby, bang bang, shoot baby. What you got? Take your shot, shoot baby. Miller. All I smoke is more rock, roll me up some killer. Take your bag and fill it, cop a sack and flip it. They say I'm that nigga, sippin' lean, don't want no liquor, no. We get high, presidential Roosevelt, got a problem, you a problem, I need help, running through my mind so much, it should be out of breath. I know you full of light, but I'm a fucking.
So now, what y'all see that I'm doing now is just basically making random twists in the wig. They don't have to be perfect. This one is kind of loose. And instead of putting this on a wig cap, you can insert this hair as Havana twists if you like. So basically I took out some small amount of leave out, and then you basically just get one of the twists and wrap your leave out around the twist to kind of give it a natural look. You do that all the way around. One thing I will say is I would highly recommend for this particular style, like if you're making a wig out of this hair, and not separating the strands before inserting it on the wig cap, I would highly recommend at least 5 bundles of this crochet hair. So yeah, I feel like I could have used one more bundle of it. I'm gonna need for you guys to tune in to the next video concerning this hair, because I will be giving away 4 bundles of this exact hair. So be sure to be on the lookout for that video. That video will be coming up next. Hope you enjoyed watching me put this style together. Thanks so much, Trendy Tresses, for reaching out to me, sending me this hair to play with and come up with a style with. I look forward to working with you guys again. Thanks so much. And also, for those who are watching now, if you have not thumbs up this video and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss when I do this giveaway, do so right now, and comment if this hairstyle is a yay or a nay. Yes, I like it. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.